Hi, today we're going to do outdoor grilling. Now we're going to get your paper bag and we're going to crumble it in balls. Yes. Then we're going to add this instant charcoal. And you have to add this first so that it starts the fire with this, which is more charcoal.
I am. Yeah, to form it into a pyramid, so that way it builds up the fire.
Then we're gonna add one of these charcoal logs. Okay. Right. There. You can add a few more. Okay, now we're gonna start the fire. Get your match. You're gonna scrape it against this.
Yeah, just think of it.
Just like that.
Fire.
You're gonna leave the stick in there before you burn yourself.
Then you have to wait until these coals turn white, and then you can know that it's ready.
Welcome back to our outdoor dessert cooking. Now I know what you're thinking. Look, this awesome grill. Although it's not stainless steel like you would have thought, this is just as good, right? This has aluminum foiled stands, which I know are very hard to find, so we made our own with limited edition coat rack hangers wrapped with aluminum foil on each side. Now our fire is close to ready, and here we have our meat is over here. Today we're going to be cooking our first meat, which is pork.
So the key ingredients for the pork were the maple rub and crushed pepper and garlic powder. And as you can see here, the coal is all white, and that's good because it keeps the fire going to keep the meat warm, and it'll cook it, but it won't cook really fast. It'll cook over time. And those are still black. They're still starting to get white, but they'll start to make the fire more hot. And this is to pick at the meat, to flip it instead of tongs or what other people use it to flip their meats on a grill. So you just like poke it, and you just flip it. But I'm not gonna demonstrate because this is my first time using it, but I didn't even use it yet. So this will take about in my opinion, I think it'll take about 15 to 30 minutes out here.
Really?
Yeah. Out in the weather. And
What's the weather?
The weather's really windy and really cold. Oh, that's why we're wearing jackets in the first place. So this is gourmet outdoor grilling, and I'm Anakin Menjivar.
And Elizabeth Menjivar, and we're back grilling pork.
But it's kind of obvious that we don't have enough experience with this kind of stuff. So we're gonna bring a professional who has more experience than all of us, than me and Elizabeth combined, and his name is
William Menjivar.
Thanks, blah blah. Okay?
Blah,
And
blah,
this is a cooking show.
It is a cookie show, William.
So,
And then you're gonna like this because these meat.
That's
All
me.
you gotta do is do like this.
Wow.
the heat.
What else do we do, William?
What about we can cook it until it's done? We can give it to our mom.
Our mom. Yes.
Once the meat is done, we're gonna give it to
But don't
Mom.
touch your fire.
But we can't touch a fire. No, it's really bad for us.
Yeah?
So what's this for, William?
Oh, that's for scribbling it.
Squirming it? Yeah.
And then that one for keep something safe. And this one, I have to smash something.
Oh, William, look at you dropped something.
Oh,
What are these for, William?
these are little spoons.
Little spoons for what?
For
A big chicken?
no, it better be salt.
Oh, to taste the meat.
Oh.
To taste the
I
meat.
never thought of
You
that.
put this on this thing for me because I don't want to be late. And you gotta join here wherever you want to. There's a cooking show today.
William, what is this for?
Oh, that's for scribbling up.
Like this, William?
Yes.
I'm doing it.
Now what's this for? Is it
Oh,
to
that's
smash them?
for the chips.
For the
Just to
chips?
smash the chips.
Smash the chips, yeah. I never thought about that, William.
And that for cutting.
Cutting?
Yeah.
Cutting the meat.
What?
Yeah.
William,
Never thought about
thank
that.
you.
Thank you, William.
Thank you,
And
William.
this is a keep safe.
A cape, see?
Cape safe.
Keep safe.
Keep
So,
safe.
yeah.
Wow.
So,
So what kind of meat is this, William?
oh, chicken.
It's chicken?
Chicken.
But
Yeah.
what's that red stuff? What's that red stuff?
Oh, was the burn. It burns stuff.
The chicken's burning.
Yeah. And
What do we do, William?
All we gotta do is play.
We just play.
yeah, play. Wow, William. That's
Wow.
I'm amazed. I'm really amazed.
Thank you, William.
Thank you. You're really a professional.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, and there's still more.
There's still more. Oh my gosh. Wow.
A new motorcycle.
William, what about the meat? Is it burning?
Yeah, it's burning. It's burning.
Then what are we gonna do? I really want to have the most
I
experience.
said, when it's burning, we can play.
When it's burning, we can play. Wow.
On
I don't
this.
do that. I thought we were supposed to keep an eye on it for
Hours.
For hours.
William, how do I know when it's ready?
90,000 minutes.
90,000 minutes.
That's more than an hour.
Yeah.
Now, what's that white? What's that white stuff? Is that snow?
Yes, it's snow.
Snow?
It's dust.
It's dust snow?
Maybe it's... Yeah, it does.
It's
Dust.
snow. It's dust snow.
Yeah.
It's dust snow.
So, William, we're cooking chicken with dust.
Yeah. I mean, Doug. Doug.
What?
Yes.
No. Doug's not here.
I wouldn't have known.
Me neither.
Wow.
Well, maybe you cooked her.
Maybe-
That's Doug's skin.
Thank you. Wait, no, that's not like Doug's skin. No, she's inside the house. Okay, now what's that?
Oh, that's a bowl. Let me show you.
Oh, William, this way. You have to go to the meat now.
Okay.
William,
So-
how many chickens are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7,000.
7,000.
Wow.
That's a lot of meat, William.
Yeah.
That's a lot of meat in one little place. Now, what's that, William? What's that?
Oh, these are the napkins. The
Okay.
napkins.
Okay, thank you for
Okay.
coming here, William. Thank you.
Thank you, William.
But there's still more.
I don't think so,
Yeah.
William.
Yeah.
Thank you for helping us
Yes,
cook
thank you,
our
William.
chicken.
Thank you for that advice.
Thank you.
There's still
Please
more.
subscribe. Puppy! Puppy, puppy, puppy!
And also today we're going to be doing a review on Jack Daniel's marinade in a bag. It's been marinating now. Put a little steak in there. It's been marinating for about 6 hours, and that's also going to be in the review today. And we'll give you our best interpretation how good it really worked. Supposedly it's it's a classic steakhouse liquid marinade. Thank you. Hello, dog.
There she goes. Her eyes. Her eyes are just glowing. Calm down. Ducky, calm down. So we're getting our cooked food. It's already ready, and we have rice, potatoes, meat,
Pork.
and
Pork chops.
gravy.
And William.
And William.
Hi guys. You did see my video I
That
made.
looks good food.
This looks good, guys. This looks really good.
Yeah, it turns out to be really good.
And
But I didn't taste it
slimy.
yet.
We're gonna have to rate this from what?
1 through 10.
1 to 10, boys.
You know who made that? Me.
William made all this.
He's
so
a professional.
he's a professional.
And I'm special.
He's
special.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
You know what I
Eat that
eat?
shit.
We also got rice.
I said that.
We got some vegetables.
And some orange juice.
Orange juice.
And a napkin.
And a napkin.
Yeah.
And my hand.
His hand.
10.
And the cup.
That's a pan, William.
Oh, and the pan. Mm.
Hey, boys.
Hey girl.
How's the meat? That's pretty good, right?
I want to marry me.
Sure thing, kid.
Mm.
Mmm. That tastes good.
Taste some napkin. Taste the napkin. I think
Chris?
that's good.
Chris?
Crabs. Crabs.
Oh no, it's Darth Vader. Ah, run away.
You boys locking to me? I'm headed for you. Kids. Mmm. Hey, boys.
Ew, that's so close.
So we finished all the food. It is really good. And I like the food. The pork, the steak.
The steak was really good.
I like the mashed
Yeah.
potatoes. They're really soft. And
So
it's really good.
awesome.
The rice was really good too.
Yeah, and then that meat was good. Sorry, cup. Besides, it tastes good. It tastes fresher.
And fresher.
And the rice,
The rice.
good.
The rice was also good.
It was Mexican
And the
rice.
pudding?
It's really good.
The pudding was good. So,
The pudding.
goodbye. And subscribe my videos. And check on Doug's videos. Please subscribe my videos and goodbye.